What if the treasure of a lifetime is buried just inches below your feet, but your metal detector can't find it? I've spent over 100 hours in fields, on beaches, and at old homesteads, testing the top detectors side by side. And I've seen firsthand how the right technology can mean the difference between junk and jewelry. Today, I'm revealing the 5 best machines on the market, counting down to the one detector that consistently unearthed the most incredible finds. The relic we found with the number 1 pick will absolutely amaze you. Starting at number 1. Bounty Hunter TK4 Tracker 4 Metal Detector. Best overall. The Bounty Hunter metal detector earned the top spot on our list for its intuitiveness, lightweight design, and its ability to detect all of our test items. Our testers appreciated the fact that it's one of the most affordable options on our list. Better yet, this model is used by the pros. I currently own 22 metal detectors ranging from budget-friendly to high-end models, including 5 Bounty Hunters. 2 or 4 trackers, says Joanna Janilaznica, metal detectorist and founder of Focus Speed. The 4 tracker in particular is an excellent analog detector. I know several fellow detectorists who, despite having the means to purchase more expensive models, choose to stick with the 4 tracker because of how well it does in relic detecting and old coin detecting. Though it doesn't have all of the bells and whistles that pricier metal detectors have, it has 3 modes to help you sort trash from treasure. It also features automatic ground balance, which neutralizes the detector's response to mineral content in the ground. That said, it does not have any land type settings, a feature you'll find on some of the other, higher-end models on our list. During testing, our team found that this metal detector excelled when at detecting aluminum, picking it up from 6 inches away or less. It also detected a pair of 10-karat gold earrings, though only when they were within 2 to 3 inches from the coils. Moreover, it performed successfully in water during a real-world beach hunt. Unfortunately, our team only dug up a foil-covered bottle cap, a USB charger and a wire as opposed to some real buried treasure, but they were pleased to see that it worked well overall. Number 2. Sunpow Metal Detector. Best budget. If you're looking for the best metal detector and are on a budget, the Sunpow Metal Detector is our top pick. That's because it's easy to use, comfortable to hold, and comes with a selection of handy accessories. It even comes with 2 9V batteries. Some of the pricey models on this list really skimp on accessories. For not much more money than the kiddie models, this metal detector comes with headphones, a metal shovel and a sling-style carrying case, says Higley. Upon receiving this metal detector, our team found that it was rather easy to assemble. They especially liked that they were able to adjust the length of the shaft as well as the length of the armrest portion to ensure their comfort. Once our testers had adjusted it to their liking, it was time to see what this metal detector could do. The Sunpow metal detector has a 10-inch, waterproof search coil and 5 search settings, all metal, disc, i.e., discrimination, memory, jewelry, and pinpoint. During testing, our team used the all-metal and jewelry modes. Using these modes, our team was able to locate all of our test objects. They did find, however, that this metal detector wasn't able to detect gold more than a couple inches away, unless it was higher quality, like 14-karat gold. In fact, with jewelry mode turned on, it was able to detect a 14-karat gold ring but not a pair of 10-karat gold earrings. Number 3. Garrett Ace 300 Metal Detector. Best for beginners. If you're just getting started, the Garrett Ace 300 is the best entry-level model. This multi-purpose metal detector is a mid-priced unit that's loaded with plenty of useful features. 5 search presets to help you find exactly what you're looking for and adjustable frequencies which eliminate or minimize interference caused by electrical sources or from other metal detectors. Moreover, the 7x10-inch search coil is submersible so you can hunt for treasure on the beach, at the lake, or in your local river. It runs on 4 AA batteries, has an adjustable length of 42 to 51 inches and weighs less than 3 pounds. A pair of Garrett ClearSound Easy Stow headphones with volume control, an ACE environmental cover-up and a search coil cover are included with your purchase, making it even easier to get started. It also features electronic pinpointing, which our testers found particularly helpful since it precisely locates a detected target's position. We switched back and forth a lot from pinpoint mode to the regular settings and it was very helpful, explains our tester, Sydney Manning. With the pinpoint mode, it's easy to narrow down where the target is. Number 4. Nokta Legend Metal Detector. Best for the beach. If you're hoping to find buried treasure on the beach, the Nokta Legend should be on your shopping list. This metal detector is fully submersible up to 5 meters, 16.4 feet, and features vibration mode, which alerts you when it detects an item underwater. It even has a beach setting, which helps optimize your search on sand as well as in the water. It also alerts you if it detects black sand, which contains natural iron and makes detecting difficult if not altogether impossible. When our testers took this metal detector to the beach, they were impressed by how well it worked in the water and were especially excited to find a stainless steel measuring cup buried in the sand. They also found a bottle cap and pull tab and noted that the ferro check bar, which distinguishes ferrous from non-ferrous metals, was accurate each time. The only thing that bothered our testers about this metal detector was the screen. The screen itself is fine, but the buttons are raised and all black. Number 5. National Geographic Starter Metal Detector. Best for children. Looking for the best metal detector for your budding detectorist? The National Geographic Starter Metal Detector is it. Designed for kids ages 3 through 12, this metal detector is lightweight and comfortable to carry, simple to use, and can even detect gold. Although there are plenty of metal detectors for kids on the market, this model's ability to detect gold, though admittedly not very well, was its edge over the competition. Plus, the interactive user manual is enrichment that any curious kiddo would enjoy, says product tester Anna Marie Higley. During testing, our team found that this metal detector picked up all of our test items. It excelled at detecting aluminum, and it was able to detect copper from 5 inches away, even though the online listing says these coils can only detect within 4 inches. And that detector right there is a modern-day treasure map. If you're ready to start your own adventures and uncover history, I've got links to all 5 of these amazing metal detectors in the description below. Your next big find is waiting. If this guide helped you choose your perfect machine, please give this video a thumbs up. It tells YouTube you want more content like this. Share it with your friends and start a hunting party. And subscribe because next week, we're going to a historic site with permission to dig, and you won't believe what we pull out of the ground.